Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset forgotten password in LinkedIn. It's really simple and easy. Open up the LinkedIn application in your mobile. Now on this page, what you can do is you can tap on this forgot password, and now you have to enter your email here on which your LinkedIn is registered. So just simply enter the email here, then simply tap on this next, and now as you can see you have to enter the verification code they have sent you on your Gmail. Here it is, tap on it, just copy it and simply paste here. Now tap on this submit, and now they will send me a code on my mobile number, 6-digit verification code. Just simply copy it and again paste it here, tap on submit, and now as you can see you can choose a new password. So just simply enter the new password here, enter the same password again, then simply tap on this submit, and as you can see your password has been changed. So that's how you can easily reset forgotten password on LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.